Hey gang! Welcome to Ski Play Live TV, and I've been walking around the Outdoor Retailer show, and I stopped into the Gobi booth, which they make heated clothing, heated apparel, and coming out for fall is a heated camp chair. Now that I completely zeroed in on this thing because you're sitting around a campfire, even in the summertime, it is cold, and you don't want to get too close to the fire because you burn your face or little ashes fall on your puppy and ruin it, and it's not effective the way something like this might be. It heats your bum, and it's going to be heated in the back as well. They've got a battery pack, and they're going to have one, or they're trying to decide whether to have it last for 8 hours or 20 hours, and it could last your entire camping weekend or week if you're only using it in the evening for a little bit while you're eating and hanging out, drinking, telling jokes. But oh my God, think about it, guys. Think of the opportunities with something like this. They are also making one that goes on the back of any chair, so you can either buy the chair with the thing or just get the heated pad that's part of it and put it on any chair that you have, which would also be great if you were going to watch a kid's sporting game. You can take that with you, or in your car and it gets cold and you're stuck like I was on I-80 between Laramie and Rollins, and they wouldn't let me on. 2 hours in my car, that would keep it warm without me having to turn my engine on. So look for it this fall.